Hey, what's up? So there's this number called isLucky. So ticket numbers usually consist of an even number of digits. A ticket number is considered lucky if the sum of the first half of the digits is equal to the sum of the second half. So they will give you a number. This number always have an even number of digits, which is okay, nice. And we need to split it in half to find if the sum of the first half is equal to the sum of the last half. So I'm going to solve it, maybe not in the most smartest way, but I will just solve it like this. So first thing, I will convert this number into a string. Now to find the first half, I will get this, I will split the string, or I will use this operator to go from the start to the length of the string as over 2. But this divide operator will retain a float, so you need to convert it to integer to be a valid index. And we also need the second half, which will start from the middle uh, to the end, like this, to the end of the string. Now let's just print them. So first half and second half. Oh, let me just run custom test. I don't want to abuse their system. Uh, I don't care about the output. I think anything, whatever. So implement it through. Okay. Yeah. I just want to see the print output. So as you can see, we have 12 and 30. We divided the string into two parts. Now we need to sum them. So to sum them, we need to convert them into a list of integers. So let's convert these into lists. So list and list. And now this will be a list of strings like this. So to make them a list of numbers, we need to map them. So I will use list comprehension. So for each x in this list, just convert it into a number. And I will do the same here. So for each x in this, convert it into a number. Now we will have an array or two arrays of integers. Now just sum them. Right? And that should be it. So just return if the first half is equal to the second half. So, let's go to this. Pretty sure you can make it shorter, but that should be it. Yeah, correct. I think one of the things that you can do is just to remove these. You can remove the starting index here, the 0, and you can remove the ending index here. And this will still work fine. Remove this one. Submit again. Yeah, you can maybe make this a function, but yeah, that's it. That's, I think, the simplest solution. Thank you.